Sounds of a Summer Night by Garelick. Illustrations by Candice Whitman. You lie in bed, not asleep. Even the birds are not asleep. Phoebe, Phoebe, bob-a-link, cheep. A soft breeze stirs the leaves in the trees, soft rustle of leaves. Slowly the sun goes down, down behind the mountain, down. Streaks of pink light up the sky, and pink is the water in the pond below. No sound but the quiet lapping of the water, the soft rustle of leaves. Gone is the pink from the sky, from the water. Gone is the last light of day. In the dim half-light comes the signal of night, the voice of a swallow. Night has come, bullfrogs drum, da-dum, da-dum. Crickets sing the cricket song, chirp, 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 chirp. Katydids call the katydid call, katydid, 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 did, did. What did Katy do? Katy did, Katy did, Katy did. And without a sound as it flickers by, goes the silent firefly. Spark, flicker, glow, glitter. How many fireflies glittering by blink their lights in a summer night? 1, 2, 3, 4, more, and more. 7, 11, 47, many, many more. Voices, grown-ups talking in their nighttime voices, footsteps coming into the house. Tick-tock, the clock ticking by the door sounds louder than before, louder than the voices, clearer than the footsteps. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Tick-tock, drum frog. Tick-tock, bullfrog. Leapfrog, still frog. Bullfrog, did. Katydid, did what? Didn't did. Rum did. Frog-a-log, Katy talk. Wicked cricket? No, not so. Gentle, slow. Low, creep. Soft, sleep. Sleepy, sleepy, sleep.